guys, welcome back. So this video is just a tad bit different. I'm not actually going to do a voiceover. Very minimal talking in this video, but towards the end I will explain everything that I did, so you'll hear my little chatterbox towards the end. But just continue watching and I hope you like it. I know I said I was going to do a voiceover, but this part really irked my spirit when I was doing it. I could not find the regular eyeliner, so I was using this backup one, and it was driving me insane. It wasn't doing what I needed it to do, and it got on my last nerve, so you can see the frustration in my face. Guys, welcome back. So this is the final end result, and I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I finished this. It's at 4 o'clock and I run on color people time, so I was running late to JCPenney. I was taking fall pictures with my daughter. So this is yeah, this is it. I like the curls. I like it. It has a lot of body, extremely long. I'm 5'7" and a half. The DMV won't give me my extra inch. I'm really 5'8", but we'll keep it at 5'7". So this is pretty long on me. When I stretch it, it hits my waist, so I guess you can imagine. Not too shiny. It is a synthetic wig, so that's a plus when it's not too shiny. I always drop this back here behind my ear because I just don't like a lot of hair on my face. But this is it. I really like it. It has a lot of body and I like it. Knowing me, I'll probably wear it this length. I want to say week. I'm gonna stretch it to 2 because they always get on me for cutting everything and just yeah. So actually, let me find a stock card for this because so you guys can know the details. All right, I found it. So this is Friday Night Hair in the style GLS211 in the color 1B. It works. It's a transition into fall. I had a like a honey blonde wig before, and before I put this on, I was actually rocking my natural hair for a while because it's been up for a few months under a previous wig. So I figured I'd let it come out and play before I put this one on. So this is it. This parting you can't really see because I have my hat on and it smudged the powder that I had. So let's just reapply the powder for you guys, since I did do this video a few hours ago. So let's just see. Let me use my mirror. I'm even trying to play myself using the camera as direction because I can't see. All right, so I did that to give you guys an understanding of how far the parting goes. I want to say maybe about 4 inches. I mean, back here would have been 6 inches, which 6 inches would have been great, but we'll deal with this 4 for right now, right? So I really do like this wig. It gives me like vivacious. I like it. I'm sure it's gonna tangle after time because it is synthetic, and that's just what synthetic wigs do. What you can do to prevent massive tangling is just spray the ends, because that's what's gonna tangle the ends. Spray the ends with like a mixture of water and fabric softener. I'm telling you, it sounds crazy. Or if you're already on to the synthetic wigs, you know it don't sound crazy because it works. I wanted to get my child in the video so you can see our outfits, but I guess not. I mean, just go to Instagram. It'll be posted I'm gonna pop it up tomorrow. I'm gonna do it Monday. You have to wait and see. But if you want to see what we look like, the pictures will be on Instagram, so that'll be in the description box below if you just want to check our outfits out, because we was fly. You guys enjoyed it. I would recommend this unit. It's very fun, it's very flirty, you know, for a night out. I actually really like this. My job's Christmas party is coming up, so I might have to order this sucker again. So if you like what you see, all right, I'm sorry, I'll probably edit that out, and then the sad thing is I'll probably forget to edit it out, and then you guys just gonna see me act a fool. But so make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment. Just let me know that you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna try to give y'all some more, and see you guys at the next video. Bye.